Got the Blake canvas right here.
That I have ever painted, but it won't be the last. Yeah, this is gonna be the first one, so it's gonna be always special. I might keep this one forever.
And we shooting in 4K for y'all today too, man. Giving y'all something a little
Nice
bit
and
different.
crispy. Shot with it. With my flip flops, I ain't trying to get all on the sheet.
Man, y'all comment below, man. He can paint in them, ain't that right? Ain't nothing wrong with painting the J's, man.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Unless you trying to, if you trying to paint the J's. But never painting your shoes, man. Unless you want to paint. We ain't had that. I poured a little bit of water in each one of them. Now I'm about to pour the paint in and mix it up to see the consistency that I want. You know you lost. You got to take your way. Sure did. So much.
Will it help you?
You are. All right. I think I got the consistency that I want. You know, good. Got time to put it for this one. It's a crazy production.
Hey, yo, Ray, turn that up.
It's 12 a.m. Feel like I'm in the gym. Feel like I'm in the field. Complete the route for real. Yeah, I'm working still. It's hard to hide the skill. Something like Navy SEAL. I gotta go and swim. I can't deal. How you feel? They had me lost for a minute. Now I'm bad to kill. Lyrics been raw for a minute. Fuck a ad lib. Had me on par for a minute. Boy, faking this. Give me my room. I don't bug you. You not my bitch. I don't love you. Been seen the hit. I'm not for you. See you again. Won't get near you. Low-key, you got issues. Loose screw. I can't worry about what these do. Money ain't the issue. It's just when I'm on the try to play you. Keep it on deck, I will never forget, no. Check out the check, that's a f***ing bankroll. Check out the check, that's a f***ing bankroll. Did you check the scope? You didn't know that I've been scoring. I ain't let you know, you should've been at that door then. When they think you low, they don't wanna let you up in. Yeah, I know the scope, why you think I got them buckets? Poppin', never stoppin', know I'm rockin', yeah, she loving it. I be in the back, rollin' up, sippin' bubbly. Got them hot, tell the nigga bring the oven in. We gon' lock what you reachin' for. Bustin' in, I just play it cool, yeah. I just want them bands in. I just want that Wonder Bread, stacked up like a bunk bed. I just got them racks in, I just got them counting. I ain't.
I'm gonna pour a little bit of the orange on top of it. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but you know, I'm an artist, so I feel like when I get inspired and I got a feeling about something, I should go ahead and do it. A little bit more of this yellow. There's none on this side.
see. Where I am, feel like I'm in the gym, feel like I'm in the field, complete the rap for real. Yeah, I'm working still, it's hard to hide the skill. Something like Navy SEAL, I gotta go and swim. I can't deal. How you feel? They had me lost for a minute, now I'm back to kill. Lyrics been robbed for a minute. Had live, had me on par for a minute, boy, faking this. Give me my room, I don't bug.
What we doing now?
Eating these new nerd.
You not my bitch, I don't love you. Been seen the hit, I'm not for you. See you again, won't get
Alright, now everything is fully dried. You know, we finna display. I don't know what to call it right now, but you know, let's keep.
Even though it's cold, keep that heat, cause I know it real. To the next chapter, down the road, the page already filled. Don't let me know you gotta show if you keeping it real. Low-key Navy SEAL, didn't know I had to go and swim. I stand my faith in here, didn't know that it would take.
I'm 100% satisfied with how this turned out. I like it a lot. It's nice. It's way better than I expected, honestly. I think I'm gonna keep this guy. I'm thinking about adding some stuff on to it though.
I thought it might be hard with some vinyl, like a little sand on it or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I might hit it with like a phrase or some kind of picture. I might throw the pink pants on that guy. You know, that's kind of like, you know, who I am. Pink face on that guy or something like that. I don't know, but I think this one gonna stay in the collection forever. My first canvas piece. More to come. We gonna be dropping another one soon. Make sure you like the video. Subscribe. Join the squad. You hear me? Never. I'ma catch.
What are they gonna catch, bro?
They gonna catch me.
I've always wondered that at the end of your videos when you say
They gonna catch. I'ma catch them next time. Hopefully they catch me too.
I feel you.
Yeah.